So if I were to go around over here onto a particular shape, let's say for example, I'm going to go for this shape right here. I can't make changes to it directly, but what I can do is I can go ahead and then make changes to it directly by using the direct selection tool. So for that, I'm going to go around onto the path select. It selects the entire path. But if I were to go for direct select, I can change around the point right here and drag it out to change around the content as I like, as you can see, and utilize the direct selection tool to modify the shape. I can go around over here onto, let's say for example, custom shapes as well, and there are many different shapes that you can actually utilize right here. So let's just load right here, and I can simply draw out this shape and then utilize out the direct selection tool right here, just like this, and make the changes to it along with the Bezier curve as well, as you can see right here, and drag it around right here just like this and work around with it according to how you want. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. You can drag it out and make the changes as you want, how you like. So that is how you can work around with the path select as well. So if I were to go around onto path select, then you can simply go around and move around the path as you like, an individual path, as you can see right here. You can just go around and move it. Same goes with the shape as well. So you can just go around, move around the path as you like. And for this one, you can see that you can move around the inner path as well, make it into a separate path and so forth, just like this as you like. And that is how you can work around with path select and direct select tool inside a Photopea. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.